You wanna close the doors? You wanna close the door? Where you might go? Knock knock. Oh hi. This is Mima's one-bedroom apartment. So this is her living room. This one. She has her door right there to her bedroom. A tiny bedroom. And then she has a window right here. Okay, go in. And she loves her apartment. Where did she go? Knock knock. Hi. Can we come in?
No.
Oh no? Okay. Why not? You love your apartment, huh? Can you close the door? Go to your room. Go to your room. Go to the other side. Come on, show us how you go to the other side. Yeah, go. Come on, baby. Go to the other side.
Oh.
Yeah, go. Show us your room.
No.
Why not? Oh, she's shy. She's closing the door. Knock, knock. Hi. Come on, go to the door.
Wow.
Going to her bedroom. Mima's going to her bedroom. Oh, she's gone. She's in her bedroom. Hi.